So we are starting today with Nutritional National Nutrition Week, which is celebrated from 1st to 7th September. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the science of food and how our body uses it for growth, energy, repair, and good health. It involves eating the right balance of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Why nutrition is very important for children and adolescents? So because it gives them the good growth, brain development and learning is good, strong immunity, health, weight, and energy is improved. It is foundation for the adulthood. Good eating habits in the youth reduce the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, osteoporosis, and infertility later in life. So, and emotional and social well-being. So, proper nutrition helps balance the hormones, mood, self-confidence, especially during adolescent age. Why this Nutrition Week is celebrated? National Nutrition Week is celebrated in India every year from 1st to 7th and is observed to raise the awareness about importance of balanced nutrition and healthy eating habits among people of all ages. Main reasons for celebrating this Nutrition Week is awareness about malnutrition, that may be undernutrition or overnutrition, educating children and adolescents for the good nutrition, giving good role in growth, immunity, learning, and future health, guidance for parents and communities, encouraging the families and children to have balanced food, preventing lifestyle diseases like hypertension, diabetes, osteoporosis, infertility, and government and health programs like Poshan Abhiyan and midday meals, which are focusing on eradicating malnutrition in India. So, National Nutrition Week is a golden opportunity to drive home practical and age wise, role wise nutrition messages. So, today I will be talking on messages for children and adolescents, followed by another speaker, Dr. Seema Gupta, talking on adult nutrition. So, messages for children, we start with children should eat a rainbow every day, including red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple fruits and vegetables for complete nutrition. Red signifies with tomato, watermelon, and it is good for heart and skin health. Orange and yellow, carrots and mangoes, and it will give good health for eyes and immunity. Green is for spinach and broccoli. This will help in bones and detoxification. Blue and purple is berries and brinjals, brain and memory, good for brain and memory. And white is banana and cauliflowers. It will give you energy and immunity. So this is the picture of the same. Eat a rainbow every day. Red, orange, green, blue, and white. Never skip a breakfast because your breakfast fuels your brain and body for the day. Replace the chips and sugary drinks with fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Because sugary drinks will help you only get more energy, just instant energy, and then finally you will land up in diabetes and hypertensive disorders because these contain a lot of sugar and salt. Milk and milk products for the young children, which will keep their bones strong. So that can be milk, milk products, cheese. Wash your hands before eating because nutrition begins with hygiene. So drink enough water, stay fresh and active, eat whole grains, energy that lasts all day. Protein power. Protein gives you strength and growth to your muscles. Iron-rich foods prevent you from anemia and makes you stay energetic. Play and be active because nutrition works best with exercise. So pictures, diagrams of these I'll show. Eat whole grains, energy that lasts the whole day. Choose healthy snacks, better choices for your day, like fruits and vegetables, not fast food. Eat well and stay active. Healthy, active lifestyle for better nutrition. Drink enough water. Stay fresh and active throughout the day. Iron-rich foods to prevent anemia. This is for adolescents especially. Jaggery, green leafy vegetables, sprouts and eggs, and it will lead you to stay energetic and stay healthy. Protein foods will increase your muscles and will give you stamina. So dal, pulses, paneer, boiled eggs, lean meat, chicken or fish. And adolescents need to run and cycle, which gives you more energy and makes you stronger. Eat protein daily, so grow strong and stay active. Limit your junk food, they rob your energy, like instant noodles, burgers, pizzas, fries, and sugary sodas. And instead add fresh fruits, nuts, vegetables, salads, and whole grains. Choose real food which will give you more energy and better health. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Hydration is the basic nutrition. Stay hydrated, stay energetic and healthy. So, what teen girls should not skip their meals during exams, or they should not diet during exams because it harms your future fertility as well as bones. The meals, when you are studying and you are not taking anything, that doesn't keep you healthy and happy. So, if you eat good nutrition, then your body, your mind will be strong, your body will be strong, and hence your future will be strong. Teen boys should avoid using outside protein powders and they should choose natural proteins instead, like eggs, milk, lean proteins, and milk products. So, real foods will give you real strength. Sports and balanced diet will lead to better grades and strong immunity. So, eat well, stay smart, and stay healthy. There are few tips for parents also. So parents are usually a role model for the children. Whatever the parents will do, the children will definitely follow them. So try to be a role model for your children, because children will copy what you are eating. That is, they are copying your plate. So if you are eating a burger or a pizza or anything fast, then definitely your children will also eat that. So it always better to set an example for your child by eating healthy, nutritious diet. Your plate is equal to your child's health tomorrow. At least one meal should be cooked together at home. This will lead to bonding between the parents and the children, and also it will give nutritious the nutrition because you are cooking at the home. Plus, it you can talk about the ingredients you are using, so children know what is good for them and what is bad. So, family meals means healthy hearts and strong bonds. Avoid using food as reward or punishment. So whenever our children do some mistakes or they do something good, then parents give them a chocolate or a toffee or something like that. It is always better to not to use these eating foods for the food as for maintaining the discipline in the child. Food is for nutrition and not for discipline. So family meals ours and will keep ours and child's health better tomorrow. Teach your kids always to read food labels. Whatever they are buying from house, ask them to check how much salt, sugar, or fat is there. That way, they learn to count their contents in the packets. So, smart kids make smart choices for their life. Healthy tiffin competitions should be inculcated in the children. So parents should not give fast food in their lunch. Instead, they should add nutritious food, give nutritious, balanced, and tasty food to their children every day. So eat smart, pack smart, and stay healthy. The teachers should spot, and some there are some tips for the teachers as well. So the teachers in the school should spot and guide the children showing early health problems like anemia, obesity, or poor growth. If they see signs of anemia, like the children are tired or child looks pale, or if the child is very obese, less active, and unhealthy, eating unhealthy meals, or if the child is having poor growth, then definitely teacher should always guide the child with proper healthy plate and should speak with the child with kind and offer support. Always encourage medical checkup and balanced meal. Early guidance is equal to long life and health. For teachers, again, they should promote midday meals. Healthy food is equal to better learning. When the child is fed during the interval times, definitely the rest of the 2 hours when the child is in school will learn more. So it is well fed children will equal to bright students. Always ensure regular deworming and vitamin D exposure. So deworming, the government is also promoting every 6 months in the schools. This keeps the stomach worms away for the better growth. The children should be encouraged to play outside in the sun in the schools for at least 15 minutes of the morning sun for the healthy bones and immunity. So small steps will lead to strong, healthy kids. Thank you for the patient hearing. These were the tips for school children, adolescents, few tips for parents and teachers. Now, further tips will be taken by Dr. Seema Gupta.